Big update from Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. The batch 3 document verification mails are out now. So if you are in batch 3 or any other batches, don't skip this video because I am not only sharing you the details about the document verification mail, but also I am going to share you some of the insider tips that can ace your internship. So stay with me till the end of this video because even if you skip 1 second of this video, you might miss an important information about this internship. And if you are new to here, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond Tech so you never miss any update from me. And I have created a dedicated playlist about this Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. So if you have any doubt, go through every video in the playlist. You will get full clarity about this internship. And let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about basic details of this mail. It says, with reference to your selection for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0, we invite you to the document verification meeting. This is the most important step before you officially start your internship. And without this step, you cannot move ahead to the inauguration session. And here's the quick summary of what inside this mail. The date of the document verification is 9th September 2025 and the time slots are 11:30 to 1 p.m. and 3:30 to 5 p.m. Need to attend any other session, but if you completed the document verification in the morning session, then no need to join in the afternoon session. And the platform is Webex platform and the meeting password is infi@123. Link for the meeting you will get in the mail. So just click on the mail. It will redirect to the Webex platform. And if you have not received the mail yet, don't panic. Batch wise mails are sent in pages. Just keep checking your inbox and spam folder twice a day. And to stay updated, make sure you subscribe to our channel and watch our full playlist. The link is in the description. I have also pinned in the comment. Go through the playlist. And now let's talk about the documents required and the verification process. Firstly, during this document verification meeting, Infosys will check your identity and the eligibility. And here's what you need to prepare. Firstly, you should have government issued ID. It means you can have either PAN card or Aadhaar card or passport or etc. And you should have college ID card. Make sure it's valid and visible. And you should have good internet connection. You need to clearly show your documents on camera. A lot of you have been asking, what if my college ID doesn't exactly match your government ID? Don't worry, a small typo usually is not a big problem, but to be safe, have both IDs ready and mention the mismatch politely during the verification. And now let's talk about how to join Webex smoothly because many students are get confused during this Webex joining process. So here's a quick guide. Firstly, click on the Webex meeting link given in the mail and enter your name and email exactly as registered with the Infosys Springboard and type the meeting password. The meeting password is in the mail and the password is infi@123 and allow the camera and microphone access, and it's very important, join 10 minutes before the scheduled time. If you are late, you may not be allowed to join and that could delay your entire internship process. So set a reminder on your phone right now. And now let me tell you some common mistakes to avoid during this document verification process. Firstly, joining with a low quality camera where your ID is not visible. Make sure you should have high quality camera, your ID should be visible to them. And joining late and missing your slot. Some of you are not keeping your documents handy, you will waste that time during the document verification. So keep your documents ready before the document verification process. And wrongly entering your name or email on Webex. You should have to write the exact email and the name which you are entered whenever you registered to the Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 and poor lighting where your face and ID cannot be seen. Make sure your face and ID should be visible to them. And if you avoid these mistakes, your verification will go smoothly. And now let me tell you what happens after this verification. You should have to attend the document verification meeting on 9th September and Infosys team will check and confirm your details, and within a few days you will get another mail and this will have the inauguration event link and the details. And after the inaugural session, your internship will be officially begins. And let's quickly go through the most asked questions in my comments. Firstly, some of you are asking, can I join from mobile or should I use a laptop? Laptop is highly recommended for better visibility, but if you have a clear camera and stable internet, then mobile works too. And some of you asking, what if I miss my slot? Immediately mail to the springboard support@infosys.com and explain the reason. I might reschedule. Some of you are saying that I only have a soft copy of my ID. Is that okay? Yes, soft copies are usually accepted as long as they are clear and readable. And most of you are saying that my mail got disappeared from the inbox. If it get disappeared, go through your spam folder and promotion or even deleted mails. And if you still can't find, reach out to the Infosys Springboard support email right away. And here's something super important for you. I have created a dedicated Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 playlist where I have uploaded every update. I also posted some of the past question and answers and tips to aid this internship. So the link is in the description and pinned comment. Go through it. You will get full clarity about this internship. And don't just watch this video, go through the playlist. You never miss any important information about this internship. And before you leave, here are my few final tips. Check your inbox and spam twice daily and keep your documents ready and organized and join at least 10 minutes early to avoid technical issues. And most importantly, stay calm and confident. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond Better and share this video with your friends. And until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.